Okay, so we're going to talk about side, 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 and side angle side similarity. So, find the values of PQR that make PQR similar to JKL. So first we're going to pick a side. I'm going to pick PQ, and that's going to go with JK, and that's going to be 9 over 13.5. I don't have a calculator to reduce that, so then I'm just going to pick 2 more sides. So I'm going to pick QR, and that's going to be similar to LK. And now cross multiply. So 9 times 15 is 45. 9 times 1, 9, 135. So 135 equals 13.5 times x plus 1. So 135 equals 13.5x plus 13.5. And then we can subtract 13.5 from both sides. And then we get a number. I'm going to delete my calculator. Hold on. Okay. 121.5 equals 13.5x. Then divide by 13.5. X is 9. Okay? So that creates side, side, side similarity. Okay? Alright, so this next one, side, side, side 2. So we pick PQ again. 8 over 4 gives me 2 over 1. So I can do 2 over 1 equals, this time I'm going to do 10 over x plus 1. So I get 2 times x plus 1 equals 10. 2x plus 2 equals 10. 2x equals 8. X equals 4. So as long as x equals 4, I get side, side, side similarity. So I didn't throw side angle side on here, so I will just go over that in class. It's pretty easy. Oh, I did. Actually, this one's side angle side, so we'll be fine. Okay, so I'm going to show this triangle is similar and write the similarity statement. So this actually has 2 different triangles in it. Okay, there's a big triangle and a little triangle. So I'm going to break out the little triangle. So B, D, C, 10, and 8. Okay. And then we got the big triangle. C, A, and E. Now this whole side is 15, and this whole side is 12. Okay. Now they share angle C. So we know that those are congruent. Now we have to prove that CB and CA are proportional, and CD and CE are proportional. So what I do is I say 10 over 15, okay, because these sides work together over here. And then that CD and CE, I don't want to put equal, that they're similar, okay? So I need 10 over 15 to equal 8 over 12, okay? So the way that I do that is I cross multiply, and I need 10 times 12 to equal 15 times 8. So 10 times 12 is 120, and 15 times 8 is 120. Since those are equal, I can say that these triangles are similar by side angle side, and I can say that triangle BCD is similar to triangle ACE. Okay, so I do kind of the same thing with side, 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 but in order to prove they're similar, putting them in order is a little bit harder. So I have to do a triple congruency statement, okay? and I'm gonna put them in order from least to greatest, okay? So I start with my first triangle, and I circle the smallest number on this side, and then I circle the smallest number on this side, and they go on top of each other. And then I box the next smallest number, and then they go on top of each other, okay? And then I find the next two smallest numbers, and they go on top of each other, okay? Now, if we call this like triangle 1 and triangle 2, all of triangle 1's number has to go here, and all of triangle 2's numbers have to go there. Now, all of these have to match, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross multiply every single one. So 21 times 10 is 210, and 15 times 14 is 210. Cool. Then we're going to do it again. 27 times 14 is 378. Good. And 21 times 18 is also 378. Good. Then we're going to do the other ones. 27 times 10 is 270. And 15 times 18 is also 270. So they're similar by side, side, side. And I can say triangle FEG is similar to triangle MNL.